that is further classified into 4 types. So we will see the first type of present tense, simple present tense. It is used for actions and events happen often or all the time. That means happening on daily basis. Now see the implementation of simple present tense in affirmative, negative and interrogative sentence. We will see the rules, affirmative, negative and interrogative rules. Affirmative rule: subject plus V1 first form of verb plus S/ES plus object. See the example here. He plays badminton. Now here is he, the subject, play is the verb first form. Now we will put S or ES according to the sentence. So we have put plays, object is badminton. Now see the negative rule here: subject plus does not plus V1 plus object. Now to frame a sentence in negative rule, let us see the example. He does not like burger. Now see, he does not, as it is, like burger. That is the negative sentence. Now see, interrogative rule: do, does. According to the first person, second person and third person, we will use do or does plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. Now see the example. Does she cook food? That is a question. Does she cook food? Thus we have kept as it is subject, V1 and object. We will see the second type of present tense, present continuous tense. It is used to denote actions that are happening in the present. That is now, at present. Now the happenings or the events or the action that would continue in the present, that is happening in the present, is denoted by present continuous tense. Let's see the implementation of present continuous tense in affirmative, negative and interrogative sentence. We will see the rules in affirmative sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentence. Affirmative rule: we can form affirmative sentence by this rule: I am, he, she, it, we, you, they. Now all these are the form of first person, second person and third person. According to the person, you can employ from this. So I am, he, she, it, we, you, they, plus is or are plus V1 plus ing plus object. Now the point here that you should always remember that we will put all these subjects according to the first person, second person and third person. Now see the example. Example, I am eating noodle. Now if we put he is eating noodles. Now if we put you are eating noodles. If we put they are eating noodles. So you see here, we can use these terms according to the first person, second person and third person. See here one more thing. Eating is still going on. The action is still continuing. Now let's see the implementation of present continuous tense in negative sentence. The negative rule is subject plus is oblique are plus not plus V1 plus ing plus object. Now this is the negative rule. See one example. He is not going to school today. The action is going on. He is not going school today. If we put they, then we can have this sentence, they are not going to the school today. So you have to always remember first person, second person and third person, and according to that person we will put subject and these verbs. Now see the interrogative rule by which we can frame interrogative sentence is am, are plus subject plus V1 plus ing plus object plus question mark. Again that same concept of first person, second person and third person. See the example. Is she eating noodles? Question mark. Is she eating noodles? That is a continuous process. Eating. Now, second example. Are they going to the school today? Are they going to the school today? The third type of present tense, present perfect tense. It is used to denote actions that started in the recent past and has been completed now. Present perfect tense will be used when an action which has started in the recent past and has been completed now. Let's see the implementation of present perfect tense in affirmative, negative and interrogative sentence. We have the affirmative rule here. I, we, you, they. Now, if the first person, second person and third person, you have to use according to the first, second and third person, plus have plus past participle plus had. We will use past participles here in affirmatives. Let's see the example. I, because this is the person, number first, I have already had my breakfast. Now this example we can take according to the person, first, second, third. We will take these terms according to the person. I have already had my breakfast. Now let's see the implementation in negative sentence. The negative rule is subject plus has oblique have, not plus past participle plus object. In this we have has or have plus not, past participle, then object. Let's see the example of negative rule. He has not. We have employed has not completed the word. Completed past participle. So we can use has or have according to the person. Now let's see the interrogative rule. Interrogative rule has oblique have plus subject plus participles plus object and finally question mark. Let us see the example. Have you read the book? Have you read the book? Second example. Has she gone? Has she gone? Fourth type of present tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. Now it is used to denote actions that started in the past and still continue. Now present perfect continuous tense is used to denote those actions that started in the past and still it is continuing. It has a definite time of starting. That means the action, when it is started, it will have a specific and definite time of starting. Now let us see the implementation in affirmative, negative and interrogative sentence. How we can use present perfect continuous tense in our affirmative sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentence. Let us see the rule. Affirmative rule. I, we, you, they plus have been, V1 plus ing plus object plus for oblique since. Now this is the affirmative rule. Now as I told you earlier that we will put these terms I, we, you, they according to the number of person. First person, second person or third person. So I have used I have been dieting since a week ago. Now in this sentence, what we have used? We have used since to represent the starting time of action. Dieting is an action that has been started in the past a week ago. Now to represent the time we can use two terms. For or since. We can use for or since to represent the time of starting of that event or action. Let's see the negative rule. Subject plus has, have not been, V1 plus ing plus object plus for or since. Now this is the negative rule. Let us frame a sentence here. He has not been going to the gym since last week. The action is continuous. The action is continuous. He has not been going to the gym. The action is negative, but it is still continued. Since when? A week. So time is represented by using since. Since a week, he is not going to the gym. Now let's see the interrogative rule. Has oblique have plus subject plus been plus V1 plus object plus for or since plus question mark. This is the rule of interrogative. Let's frame a sentence progress? Since when? Or for 1 hour. The time is for 1 hour he is walking. Therefore, have I been walking for 1 hour? Finally, a question mark.